Trying out a new product here with these peel and stick outdoor carpet tiles. This is not a sponsored video, however, I did want to share a little bit of the install for anybody that might be looking for a solution to an outdoor space that you may have. These are 24 by 24 inch polyester tiles, and I believe there is 60 square feet in each box. Price is reasonable at right around $3 a square foot. They come in solid colors as well as patterned like the ones that we're installing today. This style is called Farmhouse, and we're rotating each tile to create this amazing look. Before we get into the easy install of these tiles, some of the features of this carpet tile are fade resistant color clarity, all weather resistant, also an advanced soil and stain protection with the 100% polyester fibers, easy vacuum or sweep off, and amazingly enough, rinse off with a garden hose. We're installing right over Durdeck. Vinyl decking can get super hot in the heat of summer, and sometimes you can't even walk on it with your bare feet. These carpet tiles will eliminate that problem completely. Plus, it just feels so much better when you're walking on it. So let's go ahead and finish off this simple DIY install. So that's pretty simple solution, a lot less heat coming off. You can now walk out here with bare feet in the scorching heat. It feels better, it looks better. If you get any stains on it, peel it up, put a new one down. Really easy to install and pretty good product.